If you're thinking about going to Vietnam, look no further. This video is for you. We're gonna check out Amanoi, one of my favorite Oman hotels in their group, and I'll tell you the reason why you should choose Amanoi. From amazing activities such as rice paddy field tours, hikes, to waterfalls, and also spa services where you can just relax, all to your heart's desire. When you first arrive, here's the lobby. It is peaceful, serene, and you see everything. Then this long corridor takes you to the main dining area, and from there you'll go to your room. Like all Oman, there's a sense of peace and serenity, and the views are to die for on the very top of the dining area. So we arrive in the afternoon. This is the view we saw. We're already blown away. Then we take a golf cart right to our villa. One of the best things about Oman's is that everything's spread out. It's a boutique property, so you're not on top of each other. So you have your peace and quiet. So this pathway leads to the villa. As you can see, it's surrounded by wilderness and nature. And once you open a door, this is the view you see. It is awesome. So we're lucky to come on a non-raining time. It was a little windy for sure. However, the views are spectacular, peaceful, quiet. You have your serenity. And the nighttime views are also amazing. Those lights in the background are fishing boats. There's a fishing village right next to us. So the views are great both nighttime and daytime. Well, quick tour of the room. As you open the door, you have your main living room. It's not separated with the bedroom. As you can see, the bed's right there. It is spacious, it's well designed, your typical Oman library with the sense of peace. And right next to the bedroom, you have all your amenities, coffee maker, tea, beverages of your choice. The Oman's always known for the library, and within the bedroom, there's its own small little separate study and library where you can do work and it's peaceful. As for the bathroom, there's a hims and hers side. You have your sink, vanity. And here is a shower. That door actually goes to the pool and outdoor. It's pretty neat. So I have an indoor-outdoor shower set up. And right beside it are the closet space and a bathtub. As you walk down is the toilet and bathroom, as we see here. And of course, the bath has all the salts and soaps that you want. And here's a global view of the room. High ceilings, peaceful, great layout. And our first breakfast, we tend to try everything possible. The omelet's really delicious, everything's really good. You have to try the Vietnamese coffee. And as for dinner, there's different dinner themes. This one is their beach romantic dinner. It's their beach barbecue. I would highly recommend this. It's very, very romantic. And the light setup is just awesome. Like you're away from the world. You feel you're totally away. And here's a quick look. They have actually live music playing in the background. We started with a crab salad with caviar, really light and delicious. And then followed by their spring rolls. Next up is their hamachi. Then it's followed by their lamb chops. And my favorite, their lobster. It is so succulent, delicious, and the texture is great. By now we're so full, but this is Wagyu beef. Really, really well made, and dessert, really delicious too. And being a romantic dinner, the lighting out there by the pool, and right to the right hand side is actually the beach, where they do archery. As you can see there to the right, that's the archery area. So we also decided to do a waterfall hike. So it starts at the lake, and from there it is about a 2-hour hike upwards. You go through rice field. It is spectacular. I highly recommend doing this hike. It's their 3 waterfall hike. Then once you get up there, you'll see 3 separate waterfalls. It is gorgeous. Take your time and just relax. And Oman being Oman, they have porters who bring picnic for you, so you enjoy lunch at the waterfall. And after a 2-hour hike, this is great food, light, healthy, refreshing. We also booked the treehouse picnic lunch, and this is it. You sit in a treehouse, you overlook the entire rice paddies. I mean, where else are you gonna get this view for a picnic? Come on, this is the best view ever. In case you're wondering how the treehouse looks like, this is it. It's literally a platform on a tree. It does get hot, so bring some sunscreen and also a hat helps out. One of the best things about Amanoi is their spa service. I highly recommend it. We went as much as we can. They're always booked out really far, so book way ahead. There's their lobby where you check in. They give you your welcome drink. And before you start your massage, there's a plunge pool and there's also a sauna, as well as tea and snacks. So the cold plunge pool's to the left, over here. Then the steam rooms to the right, there's showers and bathrooms. And this is totally private, just for us, and we highly, highly loved it. And here's the locker to change out. And the treatment rooms are like this. It is gorgeous, peaceful, serenity. And again, they have shower facilities too again. The other option for dinner is their Cham ceremony. I highly recommend this also. It's really neat to see. There are local priests who do their blessing ceremony. Then you have your private dinner afterwards. And then again, romantic, great for couples. Unfortunately tonight was really windy, but they did their best as they can. And here's a sacred Cham dinner. Everything was delicious. If you like Vietnamese food, this is awesome. And the setup, again, romantic, best as I could with a windy night. Well, let's get to the food, starting with a shrimp and prawn salad. Really good. And this is a gazpacho-like soup. Really good, delicious and light. This is their grilled beef. It is so good. If you like Vietnamese food, oh man, everything is so good. Looking back at these videos, I can't wait to go back again. Of course, your chili prawn. Look how vibrant it is, how red. It's really good. It's as good as it looks. And this is their braised fish fillet. And after that, it's followed by dessert. In case you're wondering what this is a pumpkin with custard. Definitely different, but still a good way to finish. Going to more breakfast, oatmeal, in case you're wondering. And I will highly recommend this dish right here. This is their beef stew. It was our favorite. And we got their avocado toast. But that beef stew, way to go. And of course, we gotta show the beef stew in all its glory. And this is our favorite dish, breakfast dish by far. If you're a person who likes room service, we set up our room service right by a pool so you can look at the outdoor, enjoy it. And we got pho with all the fixings, really, really good. We actually ordered way too much food. This is our chicken noodle dish. Then of course we got papaya salad. Their dessert right here, it is so good. It is their mango cheesecake. We tried to have this as much as we could. We had to hike a lot more to burn the calories, but it's really, really worth it. And the last set of dinner that's different is their Vietnamese set dinner. And again, everything's really good. Come with an empty stomach. It's our last night, so celebrate our last night with their Vietnamese dinner. Going from their soup, typical mixture of savory, salty, and sour. This is their salad. Of course, you got your prawn again. Then they got your veggies, side dishes, and your fish in a clay pot. If this video was helpful for you for choosing Amanoi, please click and subscribe to help our channel out to bring more content to you guys. And I'll always strive to make these videos informational. We didn't get a chance to do all the activities here. We'll definitely come back, and we can't wait to come back. The service, the staff, everything's top notch as all Mons. So thank you so much. Have a good day.